The third part is file processing. You download this file and you build your project, right? And we're gonna have two files. Let me show you where they are. Not two files. You should have four files. Two Java file, two text file, and you have to properly put the text file based on what IDE you are using, right? Usually you run this writer first to find out where this new file been created, because when you write a file in Java, if you don't find that file, it's gonna create one for you. Read, on the other hand, if you don't have that file you are trying to read from, then give you error, right? So download this file, put the two Java file in your IDE directory, and figure out where the other two files supposed to put. In my case, I already have these two files, right? So keep in mind, in logic class we talk about when we work on file, the three steps, right? Open, process, and close. Open is very easy, and process, it has two different process. One is read from, one is write into. So this example, these two files show you, how to open the file, close it, and do the exception. You can do the file operation. You can see this when I do a file reader. I always put it in try statement, try and catch IO exception in case input output error, right? Cannot find the file or something. And where is the open for read? You see that this is open. Open this file, right, for read, right? Then you use a while loop to read all the content. Then you should have a close file. Well, I don't see the close statement. Let me see the other one. Yeah, this one have a. I think the other file. The other file missed that close statement. You have to have that statement. In other words, you have to have. This should be 5. That's a good discovery. Read it. You have to use this handle at the time you. This code is downloaded from the publisher, right? The publisher make mistake. They are human being, right? They may not a good programmer as I do, right? So this is the F reader you received from the new statement, which is open that file. You need to close that one. Use the same handle. So let's run this file and take a look, see what happened. To be or not to be, that is the question. Which means you read the content from this file and display the content on the output. Let's take a look at the content of that file. Make sure it is have that one. Yeah, the good file. Open it. It is to be or not to be. That is the question, right? It format into different lines. So which means it's no problem. There is no problem to read the file. The write file, you have a file writer handle, and you write. Each time you write a chart into it, this is the example, right? Then you write, you call the write statement. You see the write statement, then you close it, right? So very simple. Run it. Nothing happened. Let's make sure, in my case, the console window is open. Nothing displayed, which means success, because it didn't display any successful message. Right? Let's go to the file. Let's say this word, this sentence, been write into that file or not. Right? Let's go to the directory to check for it. This is the file. Yeah, it is. The sentence been write into that file, right? If you don't trust me, let's delete it and save it. Right? And run again. run again. I think it's done. You see the statement is come back, right? So that's all for this file process. Just keep in mind, find the proper statement to open the file and read or write it and close it. Don't forget to close it, right? Usually at work, when we deal with work file open, we cannot remember all this stuff. We just go to Google looking for file open close example, then change the file name or directory to your own file. And practice a couple times, then you understand what how to make it work. Thank you for watching.